All right, a strategy for multiplying a 4-digit by a 1-digit number is something called grid method of multiplication. So in this method, what we are going to do is we are just going to draw a grid like so. Here we go. Okay, in the top corner, we're going to put an X because it's multiplication. Now, we have a single digit, so I am going to write this single digit here. Now, this number, 4,252, I can partition into 4 different numbers. I can partition this into the 4,000s, the 200, the 50, and the 2 that's left over. So what I'm going to do with this particular strategy is I am going to multiply first the 4,000 by 6. So what I can do is I can go 4 times 6 is 24, and there's 3 zeros left. I can add these 3 zeros here. 6 times 2 is 12, 2 zeros. 6 times 5 is 30, plus the 1 0, and 6 times 2 is 12. Now, what I'm going to do here at the end is I'm going to take these numbers, the 24,000, the 1,200, the 300, and the 12, and I'm just going to add these together down here. There we go, 25,512. You will notice that I made sure that all of my columns were straight. This is an area that we've made some small mistakes in, so let's just make sure that these columns are all in the right order. This is just an alternative to our traditional, 4,252 times 6 model. Okay, we're going to look at grid method of multiplication again, but this time using 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, which is also a curriculum standard for 4th grade. So when I take these two numbers, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box or a grid. But instead of splitting it into 2, like I did the first time, what I'm going to do is, because I have 2-digit numbers, is I'm going to split it into 4. I'm going to partition the 64 on the top as a 60, so it'll be 6 tens and then 4 ones. And then on the left hand side, I'm going to partition the 25 as I'm going to go 2 tens as in 20, and then the 5 here. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to multiply to fill these boxes. So the first one would be 20 times 60. So I can go 2 times 6 is 12, and add the 2 zeros is 1,200. 20 times 4 is 80. 5 times 60 is 300. And 5 times 4 is 20. Then what I want to do is I want to take the numbers, put them in a nice even column so that they all line up, all the place values, and add them. Therefore, my answer is 1,600.